InVideo AI turns one text prompt into a finished video. Script, footage, voiceover, music, all of it. You name it, it can do it. It also bundles two of the most expensive AI video models on Earth into one cheap subscription. That's good. And it's genuinely powerful. It's also being sold to you through a wave of overhyped make 10,000 a month guides. It's overhyped, so let me show you the real step-by-step and skip the hype. Let's go. So the quick version of what InVideo AI actually is. So you type what you want. InVideo AI writes the script, finds or generates the visuals, adds voiceovers, subtitles, music, and hands you a finished video. No timeline required. And here's the standout part. It bundles access to OpenAI's Sora 2 and Google's Veo 3.1 in the same subscription here. So that's good. Getting Sora 2 alone through ChatGPT Pro costs $200 a month with heavy limits on top of it. And InVideo wraps both into one plan, starting around $28. That price gap is genuinely the opportunity here. Now, let's build the real step-by-step. Now, step number one, and the most common use case, is a faceless YouTube or social channel. No camera, no filming, no editing software to learn. You pick a niche, top 10 lists, quote content, stories, tutorials, product breakdowns, and InVideo turns your script ideas into finished, publishable videos. Now, all you gotta do is to pick one specific niche and stay consistent, rather than jumping around topics. Monetize the normal way. Add revenue once you hit the platform's threshold, affiliate links in the description, eventually sponsorships once you have real steady viewership. Now, here's the honest part about doing this well. Don't just accept whatever script InVideo generates for you. Read it, tighten it, cut the generic filler lines. The AI script is your rough draft, not your final one. A little editing pass is what separates a channel that grows from one that blends into the pile of identical AI channels already out there. And thumbnails and titles still matter just as much as they do on any channel. The video being AI made doesn't change what actually gets someone to click. Spend real thought there, not just on the video itself. Now, the first honest catch with InVideo, and it's about money leaving your pocket faster than you'd expect. Here's what nobody tells you up front. Generation minutes are not the same as finished video minutes. Every reprompt, every retry, every make that scene look different eats into your monthly credits. Real users report that 15 minutes of generation time can translate into far fewer minutes of actually usable finished video. And it gets worse. Roughly 1 in 4 editing commands needs a retry to get right. Credits get consumed even in outputs you reject with no refund. So the sticker price of the plan is not your real monthly cost. The fix is to track your credit burn closely in your first week before committing to an annual plan. If you're producing fewer than about 5 videos a month, the subscription math often doesn't add up. You're paying for a tool you're barely using. Just know your real users before you commit long-term money to it. Step number 2, and it plays to InVideo's other real strength. Selling ad videos as a service. InVideo built specific tools for this, a logo designer, product mockup tools, and even a dedicated generator for Amazon product listing content. That's aimed squarely at small brands and sellers who need polished ad creative but can't afford an agency. You take a small business product, you run it through these tools, and hand back a finished, professional-looking ad. For an agency managing several clients, this saves serious rework time compared to briefing a human designer for every variation. Charge per video, or a monthly retainer for brands running ongoing campaigns. The pitch is simple. The same polish a big brand pays thousands for, delivered fast and affordable, because your production cost stays low. Finding clients for this is straightforward. Small Shopify and Etsy sellers with flat, boring product photos, well, they're everywhere, and most have never seen what a proper animated ad could do for their listing. Also, Fiverr, Upwork, there's a lot of people here. One for example ad made from their own product page is a stronger pitch than any cold message you could send. Now, step 3, and it's the smartest angle if you think about it right. Sell access to premium models your clients can't easily get themselves. Remember that Sora 2 and VO 3.1 bundle. Then there's Seedance 2.5. Most small businesses and solo creators aren't going to pay $200 a month just for Sora 2 alone. You already have access to both through one InVideo subscription. So you become the person who delivers premium model video quality at a price a client can actually justify. You're not offering AI video. You're offering access to genuinely top-tier models wrapped into a finished product without them needing 5 separate expensive subscriptions. That's a real honest value proposition. You're not tricking anyone. You're just the person who did the tool research that they didn't have time for. Now, this works especially well pitched to indie filmmakers, small marketing teams, and content creators who've heard of Sora but assumed it was out of their budget entirely. Show them what's actually possible at your price point, and the gap between what they expected to pay and what you're charging does most of the selling for you. Now, the second honest catch, and this one's about who's selling you the dream and not the tool itself. Search around and you'll find a small industry of cheap ebooks and courses, $5 to $30 each, promising make $10,000 a month with a faceless video channel. Some even claiming $150,000 a month. They ride the exact hype curve of whatever tool is trending, InVideo included. And here's the tell. Real income takes real specific work, a niche, a consistency, actual editing judgment on the AI's output. A generic PDF promising 5-figure passive income for 5 hours a week is selling you the dream, not the method. If someone's income proof is a single blurry screenshot with no context, just be skeptical about it. Use InVideo because it's a genuinely capable tool. Don't buy someone else's course promising it'll print money without real, sustained effort on your part. And step 4, it's a quick one. InVideo supports over 15 languages for voiceover and translation. That's a real underused angle. Take a creator or course maker's existing English content and offer to localize it. Dubbed voiceover, translated subtitles, adapted for a new market. Course creators wanting to reach a global audience are a real specific, less crowded client base for this exact service. And I'm going to be straight with you like always. InVideo's AI is genuinely capable tool. Bundling Sora 2, VO 3.1, Seedance, and all these other models that you can see on the screen right now. Well, this is affordable plan. This is real value. This is not hype. Just use it for a faceless channel, ad services for small businesses, or as your access point to premium models your clients can't easily reach themselves. But watch the real cost of your credits before committing to a plan. Edit the AI scripts instead of just publishing them raw. AI can make mistakes. And just steer clear of anyone selling you an inflated income promise wrapped around this tool. The tool is real. The overnight riches pitch around it usually isn't. So yeah, don't fall for the course trap. There's a lot of people doing it. The tool is real. It can make you money, but it's not going to make money for you. All right? You have to work on it. You have to study the tool. You have to practice. And at the end of the day, you will have to invest a little bit if you want to get the subscription first. So that's it for today. No get-rich-quick schemes. You're not going to buy a Lambo tomorrow because of this. It's just the tool. It's up to you how to use it. So yeah, visit the website now. I'm not affiliating with it. Just Google for it and start creating now. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.